We are in Muang Ngoi. We are in a beautiful village in Muang Ngoi. This is many hours outside Luang Prabang. Going to a Buddha temple here. Visit the Buddhist monks. We were here last night teaching English. This is a village off of Luang Prabang. 6-hour minivan to Nong Kiao. We stayed in Nong Kiao a week. And then from Nong Kiao, we took a river boat to Nong Moi. Sawadi. Sawadi. Sep. Same. Sawadi. And we got a few Buddhist monks. Sawadi. This is a Buddhist monk monastery. Last night there was hundreds of Buddhist monks. And we were teaching English. Sawadi! Thailand. Raw tang, big. Yeah, they're very friendly, these guys. Let's go check out the Buddhist mosque. Raw tang. This one is Thailand. Sawadi. Sawadi ka. Dong. Sleep. Nong. India. Sleep. Nong. Sleep. Nong. Sleep. Nong. Nong means sleeping. This one is from Thailand. Name? Raw Tang is the best Muay Thai fighter in Thailand. From Thailand. Raw Tang. Name? Goansai. Name? Name? Male. Name? Male. Name? Duck. Oh, you shave head. Bzzz. You shave? Looks like they just shaved their head. Bzzz. Name Ba. Lambo. You shave head today? Shave head. Yeah. Shave. Today. Yeah, so they sleep here. And